So as promised, we are all done. Clean the front. As you can see, all this is cleaned out. Clean the stairs. We cleaned this. Remember, as we said, it's all being presentable. Now, this is all cleaned out, but because of the trees, it's always going to have a little bit of, leaves on the floor. Now, as you can see, this window's nicely cleaned out. Everything is cleaned out nicely. And then, so we cleaned all this, the rails. We cleaned the rails, make it look presentable. The floor, we cleaned the floor. Took all the marks and paint on the floor, little drop-ins. We took it all off. This is all the things we used to clean. In here, same thing. Floors cleaned. All these surfaces are wiped down nicely, right? All this, and then let's come to the basement. We cleaned all this. All this is cleaned out. Took all the paint and stuff off it. And then, when we come to the basement bathroom, as we can see, sparkling. Everything is sparkling. Cleaned out nicely. Not a blemish on the tiles. Let's make sure we took all the residue off the tiles. So, sparkling, ready for tomorrow's open house. All this cleaned out. The floor is cleaned. We took the haze off the floor. This is cleaned out nicely. Some sticky stuff that don't come out. Just for the outside. Also cleaned the AC units. Clean the shelves. The shelf is cleaned out, as you can see nicely. So before we passed our hand on it, you can see the dust on it. So this is cleaned out nicely. This floor is perfectly cleaned out. All the haze are gone. What is this? Okay. Let's figure that out. All right, and then here, the same thing. It's cleaned out. All cleaned out nicely. Forgot one thing. You didn't take the plastic off this. Okay. So, all this. This door is cleaned out nicely. All right. So you want to make sure that we take the plastic off this right here. So that's all we need to do. Just take the plastic off this and we should be good.